Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how can turn on hotspot Wi-Fi on your Windows 10 latest version. Go to your internet access icon, then click Open Network and Internet Setting. Here click Mobile Hotspot icon, then come like this windows. Previous section I already discussed how can turn on, create and stop hotspots Wi-Fi, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 old version. How to turn Windows 10 laptop into Wi-Fi hotspot. How to fix hosted network cannot be started. How to auto start Windows hotspots in Windows 10 without tools. I already make tutorial for 3 tutorial for you. You can see this tutorial. If you use old version Windows 10 old version, then you can follow this tutorial. Also, you can use Windows 7, Windows 8 for this, but everybody not use high configuration computer. So, if you install Windows 10 latest version, you need high configuration PC or laptop. So now someone need latest version, how can often turn on hotspot Wi-Fi and how can configure, need learn. So today I am going to show you how can turn on hotspot Wi-Fi on Windows 10 latest version and how can configure and start. First you click here, then click edit button. Here you give network name and password. And like this I give network name ittechbd and password this. Then click save. Now you need to start your mobile hotspot. Then click. Now mobile hotspot on, but we need share. Only on, but this one not you access because you need share with your public network. So go to click Ethernet icon, then click change adapter option. Then go to, this is our local area connection, broadband connection, public network. Then click right button here and click properties. Go to Ethernet properties, click sharing. Then click select here local area connection because our Wi-Fi hotspot Wi-Fi name ittechbd local area connection 12. So this one select and click allow. Okay. Then click OK. Dear listener, our hotspot Wi-Fi already shared. So now you can access your hotspots Wi-Fi on Windows 10 latest version. If you need create hotspots Wi-Fi on Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 old version, you can check my previous lesson. If you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. If you feel any problem, please comment me. I will try to solve your problem. Thanks for watching.